Willy the Sparrow, villain Sissy. War of the Bird, villain Fagin. The Pebble and the Penguin, villain Drake. Chicken Run, villain Mr. Tweedy. The Trumpet of the Swan, villain Boyd. Boyland, villain Bon Talon. Chicken Little, villain Foxy Loxy. The Ugly Duckling and Me, villain Phyllis. Happy Feet, villain Noah the Elder. Serves Up, villain Tanko Ivan. Legend of the Guardian, villain Sartor. Rio, villain Nigel. Daisy, A Hand into the World, villain One Eye. Happy Feet 2, villain Doomberg. Adventure in Zambezia, villain Budjo. Free Bird, villain Miles Tedding. Rio 2, villain Big Boss. Angry Bird Movie, villain Leonard. Stork, villain Hunters. A Stop Journey, villain Robert. Duck Duck Goose, villain Banjo. Manu the Swift, villain Francois. The Angry Birds Movie 2, villain Zeta. Robin, villain Cat. Migration, villain the Duck Shape. A Stork Journey 2, villain Jamano. Ria Fee, A Hand into the World, villain One Eye. Pretty Cloudy, villain Goose. Oh Lie, You Never Fly Alone, villain Shadow. Birds Like Us, villain Condor. The Jungle Ones, villain Ignore. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, like and share this video.